Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily disable professional account in Instagram app. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments after watching. So, let us get started with you. And open up Instagram. Please go to your page. Now you're going to need to click on the three bars on the right at the top. Now Settings. In Settings, you'll need to scroll through. Here you'll need to either find this option right here. Yes, Business Tools and Controls. Or a similar function. It will have the same icon. You can't mistake it for anything else, folks, because it will say Business or Professional Tools. So please click on that option, and this is where you'll need to select Switch Account. And now, in order to disable the professional account, you'll need to switch to the personal account. For that, select the very first option, Switch to Personal Account. Confirm your action. And now, friends, you can go back to your page. And as you can see, I'm missing the frame that was under the profile header that used to indicate that this was a professional account. If it's missing, it's an indication that you're already on your personal account. This is the very quick, simple way like this, friends, you can easily disable professional account on Instagram. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. See you soon.